Hey there, welcome to RateWatch for July the 22nd. I'm Chris Jones, I'm your host, and here's what's happening in the market today. That's right, we're down 15 basis points. It was a big day for economic news. Remember, good economic news is bad for bonds. Bad economic news is good for bonds. So we track this data. Remember, we're flipped a little bit from the way most people look at it. Jobless claims, that's right, they're up. 37,000 to 464,000. Now remember, the market was expecting jobless claims to be up, but that's more than they were expecting. Bad economic news, good for bonds. Started to take our bonds higher, which takes rates lower. But then we got this data. That's right, existing home sales down 5.1% to 5.37 million. These are our June sales. You'd figure that that'd be good news for bonds, bad news for the economy. It was bad news for the economy, but the markets had expected worse. What happens is bonds start to fall on that news, and that takes interest rates higher. The result, most of the day, a stalemate. But in the afternoon, we've slipped a little bit. Not enough really to make rates go any worse. Lenders are looking for reasons to raise interest rates. They don't want to be lending money at 4.5%. But today's move, not enough really for them to be moving any higher. So you're still looking at your 30-year fixed rates in the 4.5% range. That's FHA and conventional, although conventional could be a shade higher. You're also looking at 15-year mortgage rates in the 4% range. Absolutely ridiculously low. What does that mean to you? It means dollars. That's right. If you're selling a house, you're getting more for your house than you would have. If you're buying a house, you can afford to buy more house than you otherwise would have been able to. Here's an example. 6%, at 6%, a $200,000 loan costs you $1,200 a month. But at 4.5%, it's a $240,000 loan that costs you $1,200 a month. It means you can afford almost 20% more house with interest rates where they are than you would have been able to if we were at the historical norms for the last 6 years. So enjoy it. Now's the time to move. Remember, if you need advice from a professional, that's what we're here for. That's RateWatch for today. You can always get us at thechrisjonesgroup.com. You can sign up to have this delivered to your email box, or you can send me an email to chris@thechrisjonesgroup.com, and we'll get you taken care of. Thanks for watching. Till next time, we'll be watching the rates.